Well, it's a case that's captivated Baltimore for 18 years now. Adnan Syed is serving a prison sentence, a life sentence, after being convicted of killing his ex-girlfriend, Hayman Lee.
Well, tomorrow, Maryland's highest court is going to hear arguments in this appeal. WMAR 2 News' Nadia Singh spoke to a lawyer who explains what could happen next.
Adnan Syed's case, made famous by the serial podcast, heats up again Thursday. He's appealing his conviction for the murder of ex-girlfriend Hayman Lee in 1999.
This is not a question of whether or not the defendant in the case, Adnan Syed, is guilty of the crime. It is a very different question about whether or not there was a constitutional deficiency in his representation.
Lee was a senior in high school and went missing in January. Her body found in February in Leakin Park. Syed was arrested and charged with first-degree murder.
They will read the briefs, which are legal arguments. The briefs have appendices, which include transcripts of what happened at the trial. And then after the argument, they will go back and they will review both what was said in oral argument and what was said on the brief.
After a mistrial and then a second 6-week trial, Syed was convicted and sentenced to life. He appealed, saying his previous attorney failed to call a key alibi witness, Asia McClain, who says she saw Syed at the Woodlawn Public Library at the time of Lee's murder.
So the burden is on the state at this point.
In 2016, a Baltimore judge vacated Syed's conviction and ordered a new trial, but the state appealed. In an unexpected turn of events, in March of this year, the Court of Special Appeals upheld the Baltimore judge's ruling, saying Syed's Sixth Amendment guarantee of effective assistance of counsel was violated. The state appealed that too, and in July, the Court of Special Appeals agreed to consider whether to reinstate Syed's murder conviction.
It's not a simple thing for a defendant to find a constitutional defect in their conviction. And now that there has been one found, the burden will be on the state to get the Court of Appeals to reverse that decision.
That same judge also said the mishandling of cell phone tower evidence during the original trial was further reason for a new one. In Baltimore, Nadia Singh, WMAR 2 News.